A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, as on Monday, I had told you to read the chapter 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework, from the Honeysuckle book. Yes, so I hope you all have done that homework. So, today we will be discussing the story of the first chapter. Now, in this chapter, as the name is, Who Did Patrick's Homework? So, the main character is Patrick, who is a very lazy boy. He always used to play and never used to do his homework. So let's start the story. Now, in the first para, what it is written, let's go through with that. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. So, in this, what the writer is saying that Patrick, he never did his homework. What he used to say is, it is too boring. And he always used to play hockey and basketball and Nintendo. Now, Nintendo, what it is? It's a video game. Now, his teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. So what his teachers used to say is that Patrick, do your homework or you will not learn anything. Yes? So he also used to feel that yes, it's true, because sometimes what he used to think is he is lacking education, means he is not having any knowledge about the things. But what could he do, means वो क्या करता, क्यों? क्योंकि उसको होमवर्क बहुत ही बोरिंग लगता है. Now coming to the second para. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little dog and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like a witch. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that." Now what happened was, one day he was having his cat and he found that his cat was playing with a little dog. He was surprised. Why? When he saw that it was not actually a doll, it was an elf. Now what is an elf? Elf is a tiniest size, okay, man, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बोना. Okay, he had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like witch. Now what he was wearing? He was wearing short trousers, okay, and जैसे ही उसने उसको देखा वो एकदम से डर गया. Okay, and this little man, he started yelling, वो चिल्लाने लगा कि save me from this cat. Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. So what this tiniest man, elf, what he said was, he was just yelling, crying, and he said to Patrick that please save me from this cat, and if you will save me from this cat, I promise that I will complete your wish, whatever you will say. Now coming to the third para. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. Okay, so Patrick, as he listened that yes, he is promising that whatever you will wish, I will do that. So Patrick was feeling very happy. And what happened was, he got all the solutions to his problems. And what he said that, yes, I will save you if you will help me in doing my homework, or if you will complete all my homework of this year, of this semester, of 35 days. Understood? So if you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. So what Patrick said that if you will do my homework very nicely, I can get A in all the subjects. Now coming to the fourth paragraph. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Now coming to the fourth paragraph. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Means, now after listening that he has to complete Patrick's semester homework, that elf, he was so much disappointed that now he has to do so much work of him. Okay, even he was not knowing about any of the subjects, but as he has promised Patrick, he has to complete. Yes, so he was so much disappointed. wrinkle मीन्स झुर्रियाँ आना, उसके फेस पे ऐसी झुर्रियाँ आ गई थी जैसे हम कोई कपड़े को श्रिंक करके कहीं डस्टबिन में डाल देते हैं, ऐसा उसका फेस हो गया था. ओके, ही किक्ड हिज लेग्स एंड डबल्ड हिज फिस्ट. मतलब उसने अपने पैरों में ऐसा किक मारा और डबल्ड हिज फिस्ट. डबल्ड हिज फिस्ट मीन्स मुट्ठी बांधी. यस, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. So these were the expressions of his face. Means he was showing anger, he was feeling disgusting, and he was showing the disapproval that he don't want to do. But still, what he said that am I cursed? Am I cursed means मुझे यहाँ पे श्राप मिला है क्या? Yes, but as I have said, I have promised Patrick to complete this work. I will do it. Okay, I hope you all have understood up to paragraph 4. Now coming to the 5th paragraph. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. Okay, so and true to his word means as he promised to Patrick that he will complete his homework, he started doing the work. Yes, now except there was one glitch. वहाँ पे क्या था? Problems हो रहा था. Yes, problems क्या थी? Glitch means a fault. Now what was that fault? The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Okay, so for each and every small things also he has to ask Patrick, and he was taking help of Patrick. What he used to say is, help me, help me. Yes, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. And this Patrick, he used to help elf. Why? Because if Patrick will not help, the homework will not complete. So as he was asking the help, Patrick was helping him. Okay, I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So there were many words which elf was not knowing. So he used to ask Patrick that what is the meaning of this. Okay, then Patrick used to take the dictionary and he used to look up those words and he used to explain whom he used to explain. He used to explain elf. Okay, now coming to the 6th paragraph. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. Now, when the turn came of maths, the Patrick was out of luck. Why? Because this elf was not knowing anything about maths. Okay? The elf shrieked. Elf shriek means he started crying in a loud manner. Okay? And what he used to say is, we elves never need that. Means हम लोगों को इसकी कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. Okay? And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Now what this elf, he said to Patrick that you have to guide me, then only I will understand this addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Because I have never learned this and we never need this. Okay? Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them up. So this elf, as he was not knowing anything about human history or the maths or any of the subjects, so what he used to say that, he used to say Patrick to go to library and bring more and more books and read them for me, then only I can help you. Now coming to the 7th para. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. As a matter of fact means actually हो क्या रहा था कि हर दिन हर जगह पर elf जो था वो कंप्लेन कर रहा था, वो हेल्प मांग रहा था किससे? पैट्रिक से. ओके, एंड पैट्रिक वॉज वर्किंग मोर हार्डर एंड हार्डर टू हेल्प Elf. Okay, Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Now here, nag means a person who troubles someone all the time by complaining or by asking them to do something. Now this elf was again and again asking the help of Patrick, and he used to ask him, he used to tell him to do this, to complete this, to go to library, to bring the books, to read out. Okay, so actually who was working harder? Patrick was working harder. Okay, and he was staying up nights. वो रात रात जग कर वो पढ़ रहा था और उसकी आंखें क्या हो गई थी? सूज गई थी. ओके, वेरी मीन्स भर गई थी. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Okay, means his eyes were so much heavy. Why? Because he was staying up at nights and he was reading the books in order to help Elf. Now coming to the 8th para. Finally the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. When finally what happened, that last day of school arrived when he has to submit the homework. And yes, his homework was complete. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. तो धीरे से किसने क्या किया? आराम से back door से निकला. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. Now what happened? As he actually worked hard and he got A in all his subjects. Yes, and his classmates were so much shocked. They were so much amazed that how Patrick can get so good marks. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. His teachers, Patrick की जो teachers थे, उन्होंने बहुत, they were very much happy और उन्होंने बहुत तारीफ की. किसकी? Patrick की. And his parents, they were wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Now his parents also, they were so much wondered, they were so much amazed to see the change in Patrick. Yes, and he became a model kid. Means सबको ऐसा लग रहा था कि पैट्रिक को क्या हो गया है, ही इज सो मच चेंज एंड ऑल वे प्रेजिंग मीन्स सब उसकी तारीफ कर रहे थे पैट्रिक की. एंड ही बिकेम अ मॉडल किड मीन्स जो पूरे स्कूल में फेमस हो गया. ओके, क्लीन हिज रूम एंड हिज चोर्स, वॉज चेयरफुल, नेवर रूड, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now this Patrick is totally changed. He started cleaning his room. He used to do his routine work. Okay, and he was never rude to any person and he developed a whole new attitude. Means it was a good change in Patrick. 10th para. You see, in the end Patrick still thought he would make that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Now, in the last paragraph, what the writer is saying that in the end, what Patrick was thinking that elf has completed. But this narrator is saying that I will share a secret with you. Actually, it was not the elf, but Patrick himself completed his homework. How? Because Patrick was the only person who was again and again reading the books and was helping elf to complete his homework. So actually Patrick was the person who has done his homework by doing more and more hard work. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this chapter. Now whatever you are having doubt, you can ask me. Okay, the writer is Carol Bore. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay blessed.